Hey gems, welcome back again to my channel. It's your favorite gamer JEmmieGold. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make this detox drink. I know some of you have mommy tummy just like myself, so I brought a recipe for you. Stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. You hear? Click the bell button, the red button below, and also the bell icon beside the red button so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So enjoy the video. See ya. These are the list of ingredients I will need. I'll be using pineapple, but I'm not going to use all of the pineapple. I'll be using ginger. I'll also use cucumber. This is cucumber, and also lemon. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to peel off the back of the cucumber, the ginger, and the pineapple. The amount of pineapple that I'm using, and that is the ginger and the cucumber. I have removed the back, so I'll proceed now by blending all of the ingredients together. This is the detox drink. Let me test it and tell you guys how it tastes. It doesn't taste bad. The taste is okay. The taste is just like ginger pineapple taste, and this is to be taken first thing where you wake up in the morning, and the last thing you will take before you sleep. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Make sure to subscribe, click the bell button, share my videos, give me a huge like. Till the next time again, I remain your loyal girl, my JEmmieGold. Bye bye.